Boo!
Ah! What'd you do that for?
To stop your hiccups.
Thanks. But how does that stop the hiccups?
First, you have to understand why we hiccup. We all have a muscle that separates the chest from the stomach and other organs. It's called the diaphragm, and it's shaped like an upside-down saucer. During normal breathing, the muscle tightens and flattens, and then relaxes, again and again. This motion brings air into and out of our lungs.
Sounds pretty smooth.
It is, but sometimes the diaphragm gets irritated, especially if you eat too much or too fast. Then the diaphragm contracts suddenly. It jerks.
Is that what makes the hic sound?
The diaphragm contraction causes it, but the sound comes from higher up. The jerk of the diaphragm makes you take in air. But as the air tries to get to the lungs, the opening to them slams shut. And the vocal cords that make all our sounds close very suddenly. The vocal cords make the hic sound.
Is there anything you can do about it?
You can try holding your breath, or better yet, you can just wait for them to go away. They usually stop after a few minutes, on their own. Scaring a person doesn't really work.
So there was no reason for you to scare me.
Oh, right.